Alright, welcome to the October Waifu Survivor update. We got some slightly delayed update here due to scheduling, but deal with it. The biggest new awesome thing here is the Waifu Survivor. So this you get to unlock at Stadium Level 4, and you create a team just like you would anything else. And then you start the event. So this has a little bit of optimization I need to do, so deal with the long loading time. What it needs to do is generate a chibi for every member of the team, which looks like this. It is absolutely terrifying. So as a first draft of Waifu Survivor, a bullet heaven game, you move around with the mouse, or you can use the joystick, and your little waifu characters will automatically shoot whatever weapon they're holding. Each weapon has different behavior and stats. And then at the end of every wave, starting at 3, you get to go to a shop. Ooh, Pierce. Yeah, I want Pierce, but I don't have any money. Ah, boo. So the shop has positive and negative effects. Any negative effect is going to lower the price. Any positive effect is going to increase the price, of course. So you run around and destroy the monsters, and then pick up the stuff they drop. So you notice that my team members, they're kind of wandering around too, and a couple of them are behaving a little erratically because, let me get through this, I shall go for these two. So at the bottom you can see the 5 members of your team. The leader is the one you control, and the other 4, they move depending on what personality they have. There were 30 of these personalities. I don't remember what all they do, but they do minor behavior effects. So there's little arrows on the screen that point to where your team members are. So if you want to follow them, I'm going to follow her. You can see that she is very far away from the pack, and she has a little accent here. Must tend to my children. Pew 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 pew. Yep, this is Waifu Survivor. The launcher was updated to version 1.3. It's an optional download, and it will just simply fix some links. Then we have some clothing. I finally completed all of the enlistment clothing. So what that means is there is, for every slot, there's one of every nature. And of course, there's no green showing. Yay, random numbers. So yeah, we have all sky, we've got lava, lightning, stone, and tree. For every single slot. Just like that. Wait, what was that? We got a purple, we got a defensive sports bottle. That's awesome. Then also, I've made some updates to the casual clothing, and they are randomly put on new characters. Better to show it in the store. So we have some jeans, then we have torn jeans, which don't have shoes. They're a little bit washed out and torn. I updated the texture of the shirt. Let me show this one first. So there's an actual texture instead of just a solid color with a black line around it. Of course, dirty t-shirt is a little bit ripped. Next we have the mining quest. I've added 2 new mechanical features to speed up the game. Well, to make it, yeah, I guess speed it up is a good term. So if it's above 3-star, any neighboring tiles will insta-match. And if it's above 4-star, any tiles surrounding matches will auto-match using 4-turn pathing. By default, anything you click follows 3-turn pathing. So starting off here, you can see there's a couple pairs. So based off my first match, those will automatically clear. And then by just matching anything else. So let's do these 2 fish. So this auto match, and then one over here kind of auto matched. Poof. And so they'll just match off of 4-star. And what I mean by 4-turn pathing, so by clicking this, a normal path will be like 1, 2, 3. So that's how this will match. A 4 will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 3 turn, and then see this one, it went down over here, and then the 4th one it matched over here. It makes sense. Don't worry about it. What it does is it makes this go a little bit faster by doing these auto matches, and then the bonus 4-star matching. And I just noticed I'm using the wrong team for this, so I'm going to get a few injuries by clicking here. And then what? Now what am I going to do? I can open up this. See, I hate demoing this while talking because I like to focus, and it's kind of hard to focus while talking, so you as a viewer can see stuff before I can. I'm sure about it. I just know it. And y'all are like, hey, why don't you match those 2 tiles? And I'm like, well, I would, but I can't focus. Okay, so there we go. Still, even distracted. Oh man, I got 3 injuries. That sucks. So even still distracted, that went a lot faster. I like that better. I also added icons for what can be upgraded and in the town builder. So it says upgrade the stadium. Stadium's level 5. And hey look, you can upgrade it. So I'm going to upgrade it. This works for multiple buildings too. So there we go. Stadium is upgraded. Awesome. I added dialects for specific combinations of ear and mouth types. So there's one with kitty ears, and here you go. So a cat girl is going to have nya at the end. There's also a couple other, I want to say race changes, but that sounds weird. There's one for orc, which removes an H, and then there's also one that replaces CH with Q, and also I forget the other one, but it's very subtle. You'll discover them. It's a surprise. Alright, are we done? I added some links on the login page. Look at this. So now you can, when you start up the game, you can completely avoid these icons because they link to stuff and they clutter up the screen and no one will click on them, but they're there if you want to, like, join Discord, see the videos, support coffee, and go to the website. Alright, good stuff, right? One last thing, I moved the save data into system preferred path. This means that instead of being saved into wherever you install the game, it's in a centralized location no matter where you start the game. So this is saved 4 days, and then if I install somewhere else, it's going to be like the same. And the reason for this is so that it supports Steam cloud saving, because you know this is going to go on Steam. How about that? I think that's it. Is that it? That should be it. Alright, have a raccoon mask. Here's a new outfit. Nice. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure you join the Discord, like and subscribe, and all that other stuff. Thanks a lot, and see you at the end of November for November's update.